If you have some back pain or knee pain and it's hard to get down on your hands and knees for that cat-cow, one option for you would be to do it close to a wall. Take your hands, rest them on your knees. What you're gonna do is kind of reach towards your shins as you arch your middle of your back up to the ceiling, kind of squeeze your butt, tuck it underneath so you're arching through your spine. Hold it for a breath in, breath out. And then we'll come to the wall, put your hands on the wall, and just let the front of your hips come towards the wall. Look back, trying to get dizzy. Hold it for a breath in, breath out. Then we'll switch again. Reach for your shins or your kneecaps. Arch your back to the ceiling. Breath in, breath out. Go back to the wall. Bring your hips towards the wall.